Hi, Kevin.
Classy. Classy. That's what I'm gonna call it. Classy. Alright. The beat drops right here. Right. Go. Not go fucking got the joint, bro. Where the weed at? Where this drink at, nigga?
Bitch, boy, you ain't right and you switching. You really be hoeing, no different from bitches. You can't call me weak, bitch, I slept on the benches. You can't call me classy, I came from the trenches. Ayy, boy, you do not know what pain is. All these hoes flocking, they ask what my name is. Acting up tough, I pull out the stainless. Let that shit blow, now nigga, he brainless. Ayy, no mama mad at me, back on that same shit. Can't fuck with niggas if they on that lame shit. Rockin' that stussy, I go in that pussy. I slide little bitches, I really go ape shit. Ayy, niggas be talking that fake shit. You lying, so fuck out my face, bitch. What really came from the basement? Man, fuck all the niggas you came with. My niggas make this shit dangerous. They shoot for the head, make it painless. Stupid little bitch think I'm famous, and for that reason she get naked. Ayy, beat that shit up, leave her shaking. Lil' ho, she hungry, she eat it like bacon. Ayy, like bacon, that shit be yummy. Pull up on your bitch and put dick in her tummy. She only get cocked, she don't get no money. Lil' bitch, I ain't playing no games, this ain't funny. I saw you new nigga, but he really bummed me. I busted that laugh cause it really be funny, bitch.
Funny. Hey, dummy. Yeah. Bitch. Cut it. Hey, cut it. Yeah, it's done. Oh, fuck.